Yesterday, I attended one of the webinar that is a build with AI, that is a build school. The tagline over here, Master Generative AI, learn to build use case within the 3 months. And here in the 3 months, the program for the phase 1 is Master A to Z of Generative AI. Second one, how to build use case with AI. Third one is a demo of your AI product to top AI leaders in India. I have find interesting thing that I try to share with you. The first one is called as a cursor, the AI code editor. The second one is a Versal. You can see the platform for the web. Third one is a super base, scale to billions, built in a weekend. And fourth one is Firebase, make your app the best it can be. And a fifth one will be the Bubble, the full stack no code app builder for anyone. So these things I would like to share with you without further delay. Now let us jump into the session. బిఫోర్ దట్ మీరు కనుక ఈ ఛానల్కి ఫస్ట్ టైం విజిట్ చేసినట్లయితే ఈ ఛానల్లో డేటా అనాలిసిస్, మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్, డీప్ లెర్నింగ్, డేటా సైన్స్, జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ రిలేటెడ్ వీడియోస్ తెలుగు మరియు ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటే మిక్స్డ్గా మనము ఈ వీడియోస్ అనేది పోస్ట్ చేస్తాం అన్నమాట. డేటా అనాలిసిస్, మిషన్ లెర్నింగ్, డీప్ లెర్నింగ్, డేటా సైన్స్, జనరేటివ్ ఏఐ రిలేటెడ్ పొజిషన్స్ నాలెడ్జ్ అనేటువంటిది నేర్చుకోవాలి అనుకున్నటువంటి వారు, నేర్చుకున్న నాలెడ్జ్ అనేటువంటిది మానిటైజేషన్ అంటే జాబ్ కానీ అలాంటి ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ కానీ చెయ్యాలి అనుకున్నటువంటి వారు మన ఛానల్కి అనేటువంటిది లైక్, షేర్. Before that, please subscribe to our channel. Without further delay, now let us jump into the session. A to Z of an LLM, beginner to advanced prompt engineering, text and image based AI, and enough theoretical knowledge. Phase 2, learn how AI apps to be built with no code. The very important one will be the no code, and you can come up with your own idea. This second important thing. And third one will be the design and build for inside or outside the company. The phase 3, how to monetize and get user of your own and AI project to the community and the leaders in India. So these are the phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 they are covering. And the next one, so yesterday they have shown some of the projects. So the first one you can see here, that is a GDP or the different metric of an India versus other countries. So everything it has been placed in a single place. So this is one of the idea. The second one is tailor your path. It's a mentor. So whatever you want to make it as an online mentor, so it can take the data and you can give the selected path of an learning. This is the playful poet, you can write the poem, and this is called as an you can get the remedies for your whatever the disease or anything. So here is called HRCM, and this is introduced me personalized. So like this the ideas they have presented, I was very much impressed by using this one. This is not my content and I am not referring anyone, just I am showcasing their works to you. And now let us go to the first and very most in the generative AI will be the Hugging Face, where you can see this is a multi-modal. So the second one is the computer vision, the third one is called natural language, and you can see the model 9,83,592. It is already pre-built. Whatever you are seeing is this one, and you can see model, data set, space, post, docs, solutions, pricing. So all these things it has been there in the Hugging Face. Now let us move to the try to show. Now image, now we can see natural language text classification. So the models it has been there over here. So each model they try to give some snippet of in a code, and we try to utilize this one, the LangChain. In this LangChain you can see under the Python LangChain, LangSmith, LangGraph, and methods, retrieval, agents, and evaluation. So it is having, so all the things it is connecting the large language models with tools. So this is a chain which is connecting the tool versus models. Okay, so now so this is the LangChain. You can see LangChain, LangSmith, LangGraph, methods, retrieval, agent, evaluation. And if you can come down, so URL, build, run, manage, and you can see this retrieval argument, retrieval prompt, and chart model agents. You can See, this is the how it is happening. So this is the things where a LangChain related things, how we mix with the tools with the LangChain. This is second part. More to here, you can see 150 130 models. So these are the called Llama 3.1, Gemini, Crook, Spacey, so Mixtral, GPT-4, Kohari, Bird, Gemma, Sora, Palm, Llama, GPT-3. So there are different models. It has been there. So how to use them? So this entire credit goes to him, and these are all the different models over here. And here also all open source. If you can click on the open source, you can get the open source ones. It has been there over here. So for each one we try to how to use whatever the packages we need to install, how to invoke them, whether they are open source or whether all. So how to get an API key or how to run from our local PC, all these things particular to each model it will try to varies. So these three things, Hugging Face, LangChain, all model, combination of these three we can generate the AI related products. So these three are the very essential base. So in this demonstration I have seen the bubble and AI code cursor. So you can see the bubble full stack no code app developer for everyone. So the background they are using the LLM models of the code generation. Here also AI code generator. So both they are doing, if you can use the tabs or you can write something, it automatically completing the code. So for this one no code app build, so there is no much syntax, it automatically building. So for this one we can here itself you can frame different languages. It can be Java, Python, or whatever the things you are using. So it automatically filling the data, and here he is writing, so it is adjusting the code. You can see parallelize this, so it was adjusting. And what are the feedback? It is extension, it is above the VS code, so that's where it will be try. So because of this one there is a pricing is also it has been involved. You can see the pricing, so it is monthly, yearly, free, and like this it has been there. The second one will be, you can see full stack no code app builder for everyone. So you can see program faster and bubble no limitations. So this is also one of the platforms, so what they are telling. And see here you can connect to OpenAI Cloud. Cloud is also one of the LLM model which can write the code, and who are all using all this one you can read about this one. Next one, there is a Firebase versus Superbase. Now let us move to these two. This is the Firebase and this is Superbase. So this will be connecting with the database. You can see the database, authentication, instant API, edge foundation, real-time subscription storage, and vector embedding. So this is also the doing the same thing, because backend in order to store the data we required as a database. So this they are giving us an easy to plug and play to our own application. So these two are the is the complete platform for the web. What is this one? Versal. Now let's is nothing but the deploying. You can from local host to HTTPS in seconds deploy from JIT to you or your CLI. So how you try to deploy? So you can see Python templates, React templates, Next template, Astro template, so many things it has been there. So how we can deploy on this one? It is a serverless. So you can see the product solutions. Oh, here it has been there. So these things what I want to say will fast up do the things. Okay, so like this we have done LLM RAG text PDF URL. We try to take the data and we have demonstrated over here. So how to do the RAG mean retrieval augment generation. In order to search line by line, it was doing the easy. Plenty of information is there. From there it is searching the relevant information. It is saving the data. Second one, by using the LLM RAG and SQL, you need not to write the SQL query. by using the few shot and LLM rag, okay, we can ask the questions in the layman. It can connect it to a database and write the query and get the answer from it. In this one we have given. And the third one, in this video we are mixing three boards. One is a chat board, second one is image board, third one is a text search bot. So all the three things we are giving, if you are asking, it will try to get the information from LLM. In this one we have used a Gemini Pro Flash. So if you are given the image and ask any questions, it will give the answer. Similarly chart, you can do the chart also. And these three you can see in this one, this is called as an API based, that is pay as you go. But if you go to the Gemma 2 or Llama 3, where we try to you download or build from our collab or our internal infrastructure, how we can use them for our without depending upon the external API. So these two are the purpose of that one. And here by using the deep learning RNN LSTM next word prediction, if you are typing two words, what will be the third word, or if you are typing third word, what could be the next word. So it is finding what could be the next word. Here you can see invoice extraction. A invoice could be an image. We try to extract where you bought, how much, when, what is the address, what is the amount. All this information, either it could be the resume extraction, the skills, experience, where you worked, what the project you worked. So all these things we can extract. So it is nothing but as extracting. And sentence similarity, as a human we know good, average, better. So these are the adjectives we can compare it to sentence similar. But how the machine it was doing, we are using the Hugging Face model. So sentence similarity, how the machine it was doing. Next one is face mask detection. Mask, it has been there in the COVID-19. We try to wear the mask. So that is the mask detection. Mastering image caption, you have given some image, it automatically caption the particular image. Now text classification, not only classification, it is summarizing it, 500 words, it can be summarizing into the two sentences. It is some email and movie review classification. Email is a spam detection, movie review is good or bad. So all these things we have done with the deep learning RNN. So now you can see these are also use cases, and so where we have exhibited our skills, where we exhibited our own expertise into this one. For each one we have created a GitHub with the readme, what are the steps it has been required. Not only that one, we have given the Flask Streamlit as a front end and pre-built binaries to demonstrate at any point of any time. Without further, you can see the Streamlit and Flask development, MySQL on the AWS, and deploying the Flask and Streamlit apps and the EC2 step by steps we have been explained. And all this information you can find Alex Tech Projects, Alex Vatti, you can see the GitHub, and you can see my portfolio alexdatasolutions.com. And if you want to reach out further information, here is my LinkedIn, YouTube, contact number, Gmail, and Upwork. I have done some projects, Kaggle, all this information it has been there. Thank you very much for watching this video, and we try to meet in the next video. If you have any doubts, please write in the comment section. Before leaving, please subscribe. I'm putting a lot of effort to bring this content to reach to you. If you like and if you comment and if you subscribe, then only this video can reach the many people. Thank you very much.